Hi guys, I'm back. So more fun finds at Frank Garcia store. So first of all, I was enabled by my friend Anna, who is Serenity Creations. Hey girl. She showed this Easter collection and I just got a few things. This is from Echo Park and this is Easter Wishes, I believe, by Lori Whitlock. I had to get the chipboard. I was tempted to also get the ephemera, but I didn't. I was trying to be good because I saw some other things there that I wanted. So isn't this adorable, you guys? That bunny right there. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love him. And so I did get a few of the 12 by 12. So these are the cut aparts. Let's see, the back looks like that. Isn't this fun to create some shakers? Oh my goodness. They're just, it's so cute for Easter. I have Easter paper already, so that's why I did not get everything, but look at these chicks. I mean, look at that little upside down. Oh my gosh, he's just so cute. And of course I had to get this, and I'm like torn because I'm gonna cut it up anyway, so I'll be using both sides. Look at the bunnies and this beautiful color background. Oh my gosh. Chocolate bunnies. Love, love, love. And of course I had to get that. I might have to go back and get some more. This paper is so stinking cute. I mean, come on. So yay, this is the only Easter stuff I got over there because like I said, there was so many new things. I hadn't gone there in a while, and so, oh my gosh. We were there for a while just trying to figure out, okay, which one should I get? Which ones do I leave behind? Okay, and then there is this crepe paper. Crepe paper is just knocking it out of the park. Like every collection I just want to get. Okay, this one is the Hooray collection. I think that's what it's called. Is it called Hooray? But anyway, it's a birthday themed one. I'm just going to go ahead and just start off with these. These are the dimensional stickers. They are acetate pieces. Some of them are acetate. Well, this one's acetate. I guess just that one. Anyway, it's too cute. I could not leave it behind. And someone's always having a birthday, so Sophia and I, when we went there, oh my gosh, we just had to get this collection. Not everything, unfortunately. I've already taken them out of the package, so here are the regular cardstock stickers with some, not foiling, but some, oh, what is this called? Iridescent accents on it. I guess it's foil. Look at that wiener dog. It's just so cute. All right, so these are the cut aparts, and you have some journaling cards here. And these tags on the bottom that you can just cut up and decorate. Just super fun. Of course, birthday cakes. I had to get this one. And look at that. Really cool. You just get so much inspiration just from looking at these papers, right? These, you can cut them apart if you want. Yay. They're just so fun. And this one right here, I love these calendars. I just love it. And hopefully this is from this year. I don't know. I think so. No. I don't know. I think it's last year's, because this is 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Does it have a year on there? Yeah, this is from last year, so I think the calendar is a 2018 calendar. All right, and then that is it for the Hooray. I just love the vibrant colors, you know, and it's perfect for birthdays. Okay, so one more thing to show you guys, but oh my gosh. So Frank Garcia has now come out with these embellishment charms. There's a bunch in here. I could not get every single one, but he had this in different areas of the store, and every time I turned around, you know, looked in this another section, there they were, something different. Oh my gosh. Okay, these were not cheap either. Yeah, I think they range from, if I'm not mistaken, $3.99 to $4.99. Something like that, or mostly, I think they're actually mostly $4.99. But look at the bus, you guys. I already took them out of the package just so you can really get a good look at them. They have bling, they have gold accents on them, and they're enamel. Okay, super duper cute. Like, how adorable are those buses? I've seen some buses like from is it by the Paper Studio, the ones from Hobby Lobby, but come on, these are all pink. Frank just, oh my gosh, the whole time I was there I saw all kinds of fun things new. These are butterflies, new stuff, and I was just like, oh my god, Frank, you're killing me. And he wasn't there. But the whole time I was there, I was just like, you're killing me, Frank, you're killing me, you're killing my wallet. Look at these. I mean, come on, look how cute they are. They're little balloons, hot air balloons. Okay, there's more. Fun ice cream cones. You get 5 of these. Oh, the hearts. Oh my gosh. This came, and they're super light. This came, well, this one is anyway. The others are a little bit heavier because they're metal. I don't know if this is metal, but it's super light. They came in different colors, you guys. I believe there was a white one, pink, black. I think they were all gold bases. Oh my goodness. And then the bows. Oh my gosh. I went crazy with the bows because I saw this one and it's like, oh my gosh. So I'm here showing this to Sophia. And then Sophia finds some other ones. Oh yeah, I think she found this one and she was just like, okay, look. Oh my gosh. I had to get them. Look how cute. They're just... Yikes. Oh my gosh. I got in so much trouble over there, but oh well. When I like something, I just go for it. Isn't this cute? I mean, seriously. Adorbs, adorbs. Yeah. So that's it. That is it. But it's plenty. So thank you, Frank. But my wallet is saying, begs to differ. Okay, anyway, that is my haul from Frank Garcia. If you haven't gone there, you have to take a trip there. And he has some amazing stuff. Everything. I just want to get everything from that studio. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.